Hello guys, you are watching Vipin Coding. Today we will learn, what is complex data type in Python. A complex number is in the form of a plus bj, where a is a real number and b is imaginary number.
Where j square equals to -1, and you can say j equals to root -1, and you have to remember one thing, that is you have to use only letter j. It may be capital or it may be small. If you use other letter, you will get an error.
A and b contain integers or floating point values. For example, 2 plus 9j, 20 plus 2.3j, 3.2 plus 6.5j. In the real part, if we use integer value, then we can specify that either by octal, binary, decimal, or hexadecimal form. But imaginary part should be only decimal form.
Complex data type has some inbuilt attributes to retrieve the real part and imaginary part. Generally, we use this complex data type in some scientific applications.